My dear elder, let me ask you something. Do stiff joints, aching calves, or that dull nighttime pain make even simple walks difficult? You're not alone. Every single day, I meet seniors who struggle with the same problem. Some tell me, "Doctor, my legs feel like blocks of stone." Others whisper with sadness, "Even walking to the bathroom feels like climbing a mountain." This pain doesn't just stay in your muscles. It quietly steals your freedom, your confidence, and the joy of living. But understand, this saging is not the only reason. Weakness, cramps, and heaviness are not simply your fate. They are signals from your body asking for support. And the answer is not always expensive pills or endless injections. Many times, the answer is already sitting on your plate today. I want to reveal to you humble vegetables that, if eaten regularly, can help ease leg pain, improve strength, and give you the freedom to walk like you're years younger. Let's start with the first one, spinach. But inside, it carries a powerhouse of healing minerals. Spinach is rich in magnesium, potassium, iron, and natural nitrates. These nutrients help relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and send oxygen deep into your tired muscles. Better blood flow means less heaviness, fewer cramps. He came to me complaining, "Doctor, even standing in line at the grocery store feels like torture. My calves feel chained." Painkillers gave him only short relief. So I suggested something simple: add spinach to his meals 3 times a week. Soup, salad, steamed with garlic, or in an omelet. 2 months later, he returned with a smile. "Doctor," he said, "I can walk around the park again. My legs feel alive." That change didn't come from costly medicines. It came from the quiet healing power of spinach. Now, let's talk about the second hero, beetroot. This bright red root is more than just food. It's nature's own medicine. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, antioxidants, and iron. Once inside the body, nitrates turn into nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels, increases blood flow, and delivers oxygen to your muscles. What does this mean for your legs? It means more strength, more endurance, and less fatigue. One of my patients, a 68-year-old grandmother, once told me she could not walk more than 10 minutes without sitting down. She said, "Doctor, I miss the days when I could walk an hour." Without even thinking about it, I asked her to drink a small glass of beetroot juice 3 times a week and add cooked beetroot slices to her dinner. 6 weeks later, she came back with joy in her eyes. "Doctor, I walked my granddaughter to school and I didn't even feel the heaviness." That small change gave her back something priceless: the freedom to enjoy life without fear of pain. Now imagine what happens when you combine spinach and beetroot. Spinach nourishes your muscles with minerals, while beetroot supercharges circulation and energy. Together, they fight inflammation, reduce stiffness, and deliver oxygen-rich blood to every corner of your legs. Science supports this truth. Research from universities in the US and Europe shows that dietary nitrates from vegetables like spinach and beetroot can improve stamina, endurance, and muscle efficiency in older adults. Another study found that magnesium and potassium in spinach reduce cramps and relax muscles. These are not myths. They are medical facts. The best part: these foods are easy to include in your diet. Spinach can go into soups, curries, omelets, or simple salads. Beetroot can be roasted, boiled, juiced, or even grated raw into salads. The key is consistency. Don't eat them once and expect magic. Give your body a few weeks. Slowly, you'll notice your walks feel lighter, your nights more restful, and your mornings more energetic. My dear elder, understand this. You cannot turn back the clock, but you can turn back pain. Spinach and beetroot are not just foods. They are allies in your journey of healthy aging. They may not give you the legs of a 20-year-old. Add these two vegetables to your plate. Small daily actions create big changes over time. The freedom to walk without pain, the joy of moving with energy, the confidence to live fully is still within your reach. Start today. Your legs, your health, and your future self will thank you.